You can write everything down if you want to. Be brave enough to write every one of your goals down. But let me tell you something. Life's gonna hit you in your mouth. And you gotta do me a huge favor. Your why has to be greater than that knockout. You see, I love it. Buster Douglas got knocked out. Nobody ever got knocked out by Mike Tyson and ever got back up. It was almost a 10 count. He was stumbling. They were like 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Saved by the bell. He goes to his corner. The whole world is like, that's it. Once he comes back out, that's it. Mike's gonna just hammer him. And exactly that. Mike Tyson came out like, I got him. I got this kid up against the rope. Listen to me. Many of you right now, life's got you up against the rope. You can't give up. You can't give in. Because listen to me, if it was easy, everybody would do it. And if life's got you backed up, I need you to do what Buster Douglas did. Buster Douglas started fighting back. The world was shocked. Goliath has been knocked down. What happened? They went to Buster Douglas and asked him, man, what happened? And Buster Douglas said, listen to me. It's real simple. Before my mother died, she told the whole world that I was going to beat Mike Tyson. And 2 days before the fight, my mother died. Buster Douglas had a decision to make. When his mother died, he could have died with his mother. Or he made a decision, I can wake up and I can live for Mom. Your why is going to push you when you can't push yourself. Some days you're going to say, I don't want to get up. But that why is going to say, push yourself, get up. Your mama needs you. Your daddy needs you. Your children need you. Get up. When you want to quit and give up, your why is going to give you that lift, the lift you need to get to the next level. Your why. And when that thing tells you to quit, you look it in its eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me. You've been through too much hell. You don't quit now. It's the 10th round. You got 2 more to go. And when you get to success, it's not about skill anymore. When you get to a certain level of success, it's about stamina. It's about, you won't break me. You can't take me. I fought too long. I fought too hard. I'm unbreakable now. Everybody can stand up and do good when everything is all good. Everybody can smile when it's sunshine. Everybody can do right when everything is going right. Everybody can do that, but not everybody can face opposition, adversity, challenges, and say, I've been waiting on you to come. I'm gonna embrace you, and I'm gonna figure out a way to use you. Because you will never turn me into a different person. You will never make me a person people don't recognize from who I was before the adversity. When life knocks your butt down, I need you to get back up and I need you to go heavy on it. When uncertainty creeps in, I need you to get up and get right back on the thing that knocked you off and go heavy on it. When something doesn't turn out the way you wanted it to turn out, I need you to attack the very thing that didn't turn out the way you wanted it to and go heavy on it. It's never about the competitors. It's about what we possess, what we do. Learn to be your own booster. Start building yourself up. Start encouraging yourself. Start saying, I can do this. I can make this happen. When I started trying to convince myself I could be a businessman, after flopping and failing and losing thousands of dollars and feeling stupid and dumb, I had to talk to myself because people were saying to me that I was dumb. I had to say, no, 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 Les, hey, come on, man, get yourself together. You can handle this. You just haven't figured it out yet. It's all right. This is your training period. This is the tuition you have to pay for what you don't know yet. You've got to say yes to your life. You've got to say yes. Yes to my dreams. Yes to me. I can make it. Yes, I can. Doesn't matter how many failures I've made. Doesn't matter how many mistakes I've endured. Doesn't matter about my defeats. Doesn't matter what I've done. Yes, yes. I don't care about the fact that I'm in a hole now. Doesn't matter where I am. The last chapter of my life has not been written yet. If you judge me now, you'll judge me prematurely. I'm still in the process of transforming my life. I'm still in the process of becoming. Yes.